Over 80% of global trade moves by sea. Every day, thousands of ships carry fuel, food, and goods across the world. But what if all of them suddenly stopped? At first, nothing seems wrong. The oceans grow quiet, ships stand still, ports slow down, then stop. No containers move, no cargo is delivered. Then, the impact begins. Fuel supplies start to drop. Gas stations fill with long lines. People wait, unsure of what's happening. Soon, shelves begin to empty. Food, products, essentials disappear faster than expected. Factories start to slow down. Machines stop. Production halts. Cities begin to feel the pressure. Traffic builds. Tension rises. News spreads quickly. People check their phones, searching for answers. And then the truth becomes clear. The world is not ready for this. Everything depends on ships. Without them, supply chains collapse. And in just one day, the world starts to break. The world moves by sea.